At Intertape Polymer Group, IPG, our vision is to become the global leader in packaging and protective solutions. Our world-class products include a comprehensive line of pressure-sensitive and water-activated tapes, polyethylene and specialized polyolefin films, protective packaging, engineered coated products, and complementary packaging systems for industrial and retail use. Established in 1981, with headquarters in Montreal, Quebec, and Sarasota, Florida, IPG's operations and manufacturing facilities expand across 3 continents. The industry expertise of our most valued asset, our employees, directly contributes to our mission to develop, manufacture, and deliver market-leading, innovative solutions of the highest quality. Our core values of passion, integrity, performance, and teamwork are present in everything that we do. IPG's research and development, as well as product management teams, collaborate to develop products to meet some of the most stringent technical performance standards in the industry's most demanding markets. We accomplish all this with a commitment to the health and safety of our employees and to the sustainability of the environment and its natural resources by reducing waste, innovating to minimize our environmental footprint during the manufacturing process, and designing sustainable packaging alternatives for the markets in which we participate. With significant expansions and strategic acquisitions, our company is growing, owed in no small part to our strong alliances with our distribution partners to whom we are highly dedicated. Being a global leader aligns with Intertape Polymer Group's capabilities, innovative solutions, and operational excellence. These core values and a team of dedicated IPG employees form the foundations on which IPG is built. IPG, surrounding customers with solutions.